Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that's perfect for capturing those fleeting moments. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Pastel Blue Holiday Bundle 2024. This isn't just a camera, it's a complete experience, thoughtfully put together to get anyone started with the joy of instant photography right out of the box. The star of this bundle is, of course, the Instax Mini 12 camera itself, presented in a delightful pastel blue. Its design is incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for all ages. One of its standout features is the automatic exposure, which intelligently adjusts the flash and shutter speed to ensure bright, vibrant photos every time, whether one is indoors or out. There's also a simple twist-to-turn-on lens, which doubles as a close-up mode, perfect for those adorable selfies or detailed shots. The instant gratification of holding a physical print just moments after pressing the shutter button is truly unmatched in today's digital world. What makes this particular offering a holiday bundle is the fantastic array of accessories included. First up, one gets a Fuji Instax Mini Film Value Pack with 20 sheets. This is crucial because it means one can start snapping pictures immediately without needing to buy anything extra. It's enough film to get a good feel for the camera and capture some initial memories. Then there's the protective carrying case. This isn't just any case. It's designed to perfectly fit the Instax Mini 12, offering essential protection from bumps and scratches while on the go. Its stylish design often complements the camera's aesthetic, making it a fashionable accessory in itself. Keeping the camera safe is paramount, and this case does an excellent job. To further enhance the experience, the bundle includes a charming photo album. This is where those precious instant prints find their forever home. It encourages organization and provides a tangible way to revisit memories, adding to the nostalgic appeal of instant photography. It's a lovely touch that elevates the bundle beyond just a camera and film. Finally, a microfiber cleaning cloth is also part of the package. This might seem like a small detail, but it's incredibly practical for keeping the camera lens spotless, ensuring every shot is crystal clear. Overall, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Pastel Blue Holiday Bundle 2024 is an exceptional package. It provides everything one needs to embark on an instant photography adventure, making it an ideal gift for the holidays or a wonderful treat for oneself. It truly simplifies the process of capturing and cherishing moments, offering a complete and delightful experience from start to finish.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.